Hello! Today's video is going to be on software testing. Software testing is a process that is carried out to find bugs in the software or to verify the quality of the software product. The output of software testing can be in the form of reports, logs, charts, or even changes in the production environment. So what is a software testing reporting? Software testing reports is a combined summary of testing objectives, activities, and results. It is generated to help product managers and developers. After analyzing the report, the whole team decides whether to release the software or not. During a software test, a tester will look at the back-end automation scripts, lab, and executions. So what should a software test report contain? The report should contain the application overview, testing scope, matrix, types of testing performance, test environment and tools, list of problems and solution, and the achievement of the testers. You should also include exit criteria, summary of the testing, definition, acronyms, and abbreviations. Let's start with application overview. A tester will look at the WordPress plugins feature, module, and plugin performance. Getting an overview of the plugin will help to find errors and bugs in the code of the plugin. Testing scope refers to which modules are in scope or out of scope for testing. In scope refers to functional testing for multiple modules. Out of scope refers to performance testing of an application. Items not tested refers to third-party systems that are not tested. This could be due to some technical limitations. This verification can be done during user acceptance testing, where the connectivity is feasible or can be settled. Let's move on to metrics. Matrix assists to know the test execution results, such as the status of the test cases and the defects. If there are charts or graphs, it will add a better visual representation. A tester will test the types of testing performed. Smoke testing is done to determine whether the deployed software build is stable or not. After passing the smoke testing, the QA team will get the confirmation to proceed with further application testing. System integration testing is done to confirm whether the entire application operates as per the requirement. Then we have regression testing. After detecting bugs and other defects, a regression test is run to see if there are any other issues. Test environment and tools share the contingent on test environment through which the entire testing is done, such as server, database, application URL, etc. The tester may use any tools such as Quality Center for logging defects. The report should also list the problems and the solution. This segment explains significant issues and their way of solution during the testing period. In the future, these data will help both the developer and the QA team to avoid these mistakes. To test software, a tester will need to go through a lot of activities, and among them, there should be some good and efficient ways to work. Examples of an efficient tester include: the tester automates the task by running scripts rather than manual testing. Smoke tests run without facing any issue. And lastly, critical issues are fixed and passed to ensure the test runs smoothly. To fulfill the testing phase, the application must pass certain conditions. A tester would look at whether a test case has been completed, whether defects are closed, and identifying defects before the expected date. In the summary of a test report, The test team gives you a green signal to release the product. If they don't, the developers will fix the issue and work with them again. A tester could use different terms which a developer may not understand. So for making the report more meaningful, the tester must explain the definition, acronyms, and abbreviations. Let's move on to tips on writing an outstanding test report. You need to have detailed information. The test report must have a detailed description of the whole testing activity. No abstract information will be accepted from the developer's end. The reader should understand the reporting after going over it. The data in the software testing reporting should include clear and short information that is easily understandable for the developer. All information in the test report should be short and clearly understandable. The test must follow a standard template or structure. It can change depending on the project. When you are presenting the issue and your work activity as a tester, do not write an essay. Just summarize the test results with focal points. That's it for today's video. We have a full blog on the issue of software testing, so be sure to check the link in the description box down below. For more video on using Appsero to manage, license, and deploy your WordPress plugins for your users, be sure to check out Appsero or email us for more information.